What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we will be working on the M5. I decided not to sell it. No, I'm just kidding. If you guys saw the last video, you guys know that I actually did take it to get painted. In the thumbnail and the title I did put that the car was gone. But if you watch the whole video, you'll know I just took it to get painted to the shop. But yeah, we have it right here. Looking beautiful, looks really good. Shout out ABS Auto Body once again guys. The paint came out flawless, and then they painted these, which looks sick. But yeah, they also re-cleared the lip. It doesn't look perfect. It had rock chips and you can still barely see the rock chips, but it did get re-cleared and it looks a lot better than it did. So we're gonna attempt to put that back on right now. I just need double-sided tape so I can glue it on the top side, and then I'm gonna bolt the bottom, but I need double-sided tape, so I'm gonna go get some right now to Target. So it is 4th of July though, so happy 4th of July to everybody. I got no plans. I'm just chilling at home because I work tonight, so it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to put the lip on, so I'm gonna go to Target real quick. Oh, this will probably work. 10 bucks for this? What the heck? 10 bucks or 5 bucks? 5 bucks it is. All right guys, I just got back home, and yeah, I got the tape ready, I got everything ready. So right now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is give a little quick wipe down to the bumper, just on these little side parts, because that's where the lip is gonna go. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna put the tape on the actual bumper, because I usually put it on the lip, but I think it's easier to just put it on the bumper. And then yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'm just afraid because when I put the lip on with the wrap, it actually like scratched the wrap and like cut the wrap on these like corners, just because it's such a tight fit and the edges on the lip are pretty sharp. Over here too, on this side, it's like super tight, so it kind of scratched the wrap right there, so I'm afraid it's gonna scratch the paint, but I'm gonna try to be careful. Hopefully it doesn't. I have nobody to help me here right now, it's just me, so yeah, hopefully I don't scratch the paint, so we'll see how it goes. And then I have these ramps, so I'm gonna drive the car up the little ramps. Hopefully that's enough space to just unbolt the bolts that are on the bottom of the bumper, because those are gonna be used to hold the lip on as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. I am fighting the sunlight, the daylight, so I'm trying to do this before it gets like pitch black. So let me go ahead and hurry up and do this. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe these down real quick with some alcohol. It's pretty much the only part that's gonna get glue, so should be fine. And then the lip as well. Just a little quick wipe down should be fine. You can see where the old tape was at, right here. But like I said, quick little wipe down, and we should be good. That should be fine right there. And then like I said, you know, the lip is not perfect. You can still see the rock chips here and there, but it was also really faded already, and it looks pretty glossy again. So I mean, I guess it looks better than it did before. It would have been nice if you can not see the rock chips, but it is what it is guys. I'm still gonna put the lip on. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna drive the car onto some ramps real quick, take off the bolts on the bottom, and then we should be good to put it on. So I'm gonna hurry up because it's getting dark. All right, so I went ahead and put a little bit of painter's tape right here, just to try to cover the edges so I won't scratch it over here as well. So hopefully it helps a little bit. I might put a little bit more on that side because I don't think I put it low enough. Hopefully it doesn't scratch it, and hopefully I'm able to take off the tape once the lip is on. Hopefully the lip doesn't catch on to any of the edges. All right guys, the lip is now on. As you guys can see, it looks sick. I can't wait to put it down and see how it looks on the ground. But unfortunately, just this little tiny edge, we got some tape under there. So I'll try to take that off right now. Just that. And you can't even see it, but there's a tiny little piece of tape right there. The other side was perfect, no tape at all, but yeah, this looks sick. Now I gotta hurry up and bolt the bottom bolts. I gotta put those on. And then, ooh, fireworks. And then I'll put the car down and we'll see what it looks like, but I'll probably take it to like a gas station or something and show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish this real quick. But this is a little preview of what it looks like. It should look so sick with this paint color. Now I really need a hood because the hood is the only thing that's really making the car look bad. What's up guys? It is once again another day right now I'm gonna find a little cool spot to show you guys what the car looks like. I was gonna go to the gas station, the same one I always go to, but I'm like, man, I don't want to end the video in the same spot again. I've ended the video there for like the past like 4 or 5 videos, I think. So I was like, I'm not trying to go to the same exact spot again. So yeah, I was like, fuck it, I'll just record the video sometime during the day whenever I get a chance. So it's another day now. But yeah, guys, we're in the M5. You guys should know that when you own a Beamer, you're gonna have this message very, very often. We need gas. Man, this car always needs gas. And it sucks because I'll pump gas like on the weekend or something, right? And then I'll work throughout the week. And by the next weekend, I already need gas again because my girl be using the car. So we no longer have the X5, just in case you guys are wondering about that. So as of right now, we only have one car and the Can-Am, but you can't be using the Can-Am in the streets and shit. So right now we are just sharing the car. We will be getting another car. I just don't know what we're getting yet. It would be convenient to get a car for my girl so she can drive her own car, but it would also be very convenient to get a truck because we need something to pull the Can-Am. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Maybe we'll get a Braptor like Kevin did. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's just way too expensive. If I did, I'd get the Raptor, not the Braptor, because I prefer the truck. But the Bronco's sick as fuck, I'm not even gonna lie. I just prefer truck, so I'm pretty sure you guys can tell where we're at. The car needs gas. When I come to this gas station, I pay with the app because you get like 15 cents off or something like that. 76 gas stations, guys. You guys should get the app. Start out with some 85. Kind of sucks because they have to be on empty for you to be able to fill it up. I mean, you can fill it up if it's like on half, but it's just a little more complicated. You gotta get the measurements right. So, yeah. Just let this fill up real quick. All right, guys, we're back at full tank. Right now, I just gotta go to my house real quick to pick up something, and then we'll find a little place to park at, and I can give you guys a little walk around of the car. I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like right now. It came out pretty clean for the little self car wash that I did. The wheels still look horrible. You gotta like really detail the wheels for them to come out clean. Obviously, I didn't detail the wheels. It was a self car wash, so I just washed it however I could. But yeah, like the actual car itself though looks pretty clean. But yeah, I'm also debating whether or not to put on a spoiler on the car. I kind of like the way it looks with no spoiler, but I wouldn't mind putting on a small spoiler. I don't want to go too crazy and put on like the PSM style again, or I think that's what it's called, PSM, which is like one of the bigger spoilers that they sell for this car. I wanted to keep it a little more simple and like OEM, so I was gonna put like a small spoiler. So yeah, I don't know. I'm still debating. Maybe I'll show you guys what it looks like in a bit, and then I'll let you guys decide whether or not we put it on or not. So yeah, but like I said, I'm going to the house real quick and pick something up, and then we'll find a spot to park at. I'm trying to find something different. I don't want to keep parking at the same spots here in my area. So yeah, I'll try to find a good spot to park at, and then we'll see. All right, guys, I just pulled up to this little spot that I found. I think I've recorded a video here once before, but it's been a long time since I did that. But yeah, I pulled up to this little spot. There's some construction going on somewhere back there, so hopefully it's not too loud. I can't really hear much from where I'm at, so I don't think the camera should pick up anything. But yeah, we got the car right here, guys. I wish there was more to show you guys. I'm pretty much just showing you what the car looks like with the lip on. You guys can see what it looks like. She looks fucking clean. It did help a lot because it had a lot of rock chips, and you can really tell where they were at. Now you can't really tell too much, but you can still see them here and there. Like there's a little one right there, and there's small ones like all around, but you can really tell before. And now that they re-cleared the lip, you can't really tell too much, and it looks a lot shinier than it did before. I'm not even gonna lie, this lip, brand new, it had a lot of orange peel, and it didn't look super shiny, which is not something that I would expect from RW Carbon because they are a very known brand for carbon fiber parts. But yeah, from factory, it didn't look as shiny and clean as I would want it to. And now that it's re-cleared, it actually looks really nice. So yeah, I'm happy with that. happy with the way that came out. And then you guys can pretty much see the paint match to what it looks like. It came out really, really clean. You can't even tell that it was painted. Shout out to ABS Auto Body, man. There's people passing by here. They're just staring at me. But it is what it is. But yeah, guys, this is what the car looks like. I'm super happy to have it back to OEM paint. This shit looks super clean. I forgot how nice this paint looked. It's a really dark color at night. And in the day, it's really dark, but it has like a really nice like tone to it. And I just really missed having that super, super glossy look that paint gives you, obviously. With the wrap, it wasn't super glossy. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't super glossy. And then over time, obviously, it got even worse. But yeah, I love the way this thing looks. I think the lip looks super sick with this paint. I gotta get some carbon fiber side skirt extensions so it can complete the look of like the bottom. I don't know, just to make it look nicer at the bottom. I think it would go nicely with the lip as well. It would flow nice. And I really, really, really want to get a carbon fiber hood. I think it would look super sick with a carbon hood. And obviously, if you guys have seen the past videos, you know, the clear peeled on the hood when we took off the wrap. So, you know, I didn't even want to paint it. I didn't want to waste money on painting it. I'd rather put that money into a carbon fiber hood. So hopefully, you know, hopefully sooner than later, we'll be getting a carbon hood for the car. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys like this video. I know it was kind of all over the place and it was kind of short. I didn't really do too much. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You know, I'm trying to push out a little bit more videos, but I got to really use my time wisely because I don't have a lot of time to record videos. And it's kind of hard going to car meets because they're so far away and then they're so late or so early. So it kind of sucks having to drive like all the way to LA super late at night, or having to drive to LA super early in the morning. I gotta wake up like extra early to go. So that kind of sucks. But if that's something you guys would want to see, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to link up with the homie Dan and go to a car meet or something. I know he's been wanting to, and I've been wanting to too, but it's just, like I said, man, the drive, and it's super late or super early, so it kind of sucks. The timing is just bad, and yeah, it's just so far away, so I don't know. But if that's something you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below. You know, I'll make it happen here or there. But yeah, I still want to show you guys what the car looks like with the spoiler on. I'm not gonna like glue it on or tape it on. I'm just gonna put it over the trunk and show you guys what it looks like. And I'll let you guys decide whether or not we put a spoiler on it or not. So yeah, I'm not gonna end the video right here. I'm still gonna show you guys that, but the spoilers at the house, so I don't have it with me to show you guys right now. All right, guys, I need your opinion. So wait, let me show you guys first without the spoiler. So do we keep it like this, which looks pretty, you know, pretty clean, simple. There's nothing on the trunk, no spoiler or nothing. It looks pretty simple and clean. Personally, I like it. I don't think it really needs a spoiler, but do we keep it like that or do we keep it like this? Hopefully this doesn't fall off. Now this is a simple, small spoiler, nothing crazy. You know, just to have something on there. Do we keep it with no spoiler or do we keep it with a small, clean, simple spoiler? Carbon fiber, obviously. What do you guys think? That's what it looks like. Pretty much from every angle. You guys can see what it looks like this. What do you guys think? Spoiler, no spoiler? I cannot decide. I don't know. I think it looks clean either way. But I don't think it looks bad with a small spoiler like this. Like I said, I want to keep it a little bit more simple. I don't want to do the PSM style spoiler again, which is like that big high kick spoiler. I wanted to do something a little more simple, a little more sleek. Keep it a little bit more OEM plus. I think this one looks pretty clean, but I can't tell if it looks better with this little spoiler or if it looks better with no spoiler at all. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me out on this one. What should we do? Spoiler or no spoiler? We also have a different spoiler. Let me bring it out real quick. I think it's a little bit smaller than this one. I think it's a little bit smaller than the other one. And it's a little lighter as well. But this is like an OEM BMW spoiler. The thing with this one, guys, let me set it on real quick and show you guys what it looks like. The thing with this one, yeah, I think it is a little bit smaller. The thing with this one is that it needs to be, you put it on with silicone. So it doesn't use tape or anything. It's hollow inside. There's nothing on the bottom. It's like open. I'll show you guys right now, but Pretty much this one you stick it on with like silicone around the spoiler. But this is like an OEM BMW spoiler that I got from my homie J-Dog. So shout out to the homie J-Dog. He kind of hooked me up on the spoiler. And the reason I never put it on was because it needed to be put on with silicone. And I still had my old spoiler on and the car was wrapped. So I didn't want to take off that spoiler because it was going to mess up the wrap. So this is what this one looks like. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, like I said. But this is like an OEM BMW, I think M Sport, like M style spoiler for the F10. So this one looks pretty clean as well. I think this one looks a little bit more sleek, a little more, maybe a little bit more OEM plus. The thing with this one is that it needs to be put on with silicone. So I got to figure out how to do that. And yeah, I don't think it'll be nothing crazy, but it does need to be put on with like some silicone. But let me know what you guys think. If I flip it over, you guys can see over here, it's an OEM BMW spoiler, but it's completely hollow. Like I said, this is like stuck on with some silicone or something. So I would have to stick it on the same way on this trunk, which is the only reason I kind of debated not to do it. But like I said, guys, I'll leave it up to you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But without further ado, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Not really much else to show you guys, or really do, at least for today. I'm trying to get this video out already, so you know, it is what it is. Like I said, guys, yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. If you guys would like some like off-roading or Can-Am videos, let me know. I'll try my best to go ahead and, you know, and try to make a video about that, see how it turns out, and then, you know, we'll go from there. But yeah, stay tuned for some more videos, hopefully soon. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.
Ya no se preocupen mi mamá y papá, su pequeño ya la pegó y ni hablar. En el cuello la cubana azul, en la Lamborghini.